Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently sunny and 67 degrees here in the valley on this very nice spring day. Today I'm going to taste test the wild huckleberry jelly beans from Huckleberry Haven Company. Not a sponsor of this video. I bought this 7-ounce package for $5 in Thompson Falls, Montana last week during my visit. And if you haven't been to Montana, they have just about anything you can imagine in a huckleberry form. They have huckleberry tea, huckleberry candy bars, huckleberry smoothies, huckleberry candles, huckleberry peanut butter, huckleberry cocoa, and so on and so forth. So a lot of neat options to choose from. And let's give it the old try here. It's a very nice, vibrant purple. Not sure how it's going to show up on the camera here, but I like the little purple ribbon they have on top here, and the twisty tie. Oh yeah. Cheers, everybody. Wow. Really great flavor. They're juicy and tender. The huckleberry flavor is really shining through here. Sweet. Really, really sweet. Ooh. Wow. I think these are actually bigger and juicier than Jelly Belly brand jelly beans. Wow. If you like huckleberry, I would certainly give this a try. And if you already have, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of these have been. Wow. Not eating this whole package of jelly beans in one setting is going to be hard to do. Wow, this num 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 keeping on a scale of 1 to 10. I would give the wild huckleberry jelly beans a 9.15. Wow. I wonder how these would go with as a topping on a bowl of vanilla ice cream. Maybe. Who knows? Wow, I think this is my top of all the huckleberry products I've tried in my lifetime. I'd say that these jelly beans were probably, top 5. Wow. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. Ta-da. Today is June 6th. Ta-da. Ding, ding, ding. Jelly, 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 jelly beans. Oh, I love the huckleberry flavor of the jelly bean. Wow. I'll have to get some more the next time I'm in Montana. Very sweet.